inchi gitsik very le dikhiran somang shi khonyo yugire dila phege thone hachang legire ra the very le dikhiran so thepla yang mangbu thonyo re khani kiji shidu yang mangbu pheji shigire ani very le danga pheji sheme very pheji ma shi nenga so sik khari pheji sheyre sik do dinga tring dingen thung dina lo khiran chala la be an tring ni gi ta dingen thung gi chi shidi vocabulary lana dictionary vocabulary lana thangye la la gyore te khiran so dam la music le re midi kharlar lana ngape chodo gi du ngape thangse songa sa ja tharing bon lein la ra an midi gi injigen khandis lagi re I'm very tired ngape thangse so I'm very tired and also I'm very hungry ngat cho yang pe to gi do thang yang pe che so I'm very tired and I'm very hungry la dara the very lan pheji ni le so the very tired la sik do khari pheji che la na I'm exhausted ngape thang che so I'm exhausted thana shi ngape cho do gi do la I'm starving I'm very hungry la mare khari pheji che re I'm starving niba dikharela na mi pe chukbo jirlas ra mi hajangi chukbo pe chukbo jirlas so korang khangba pe chembo jigla deyirlas pe chukbo khangba pe chembo very big konda mi pe chukbo very rich thangan shi khangba pe chembo very big very rich la nga sik khari phiji shere a very rich man a wealthy man inji sik shemba sik do di a wealthy man lives in a very big house khangba chembo chigla degi yore a very big la sik shemba sik do khari pheji shele na a huge house very rich la wealthy thana shi very big la huge somebody drink pe seba sau do nga pe khagom gi do la ra inji sin ganas lai re It's very hot today and I'm feeling very thirsty. Ra? It's very hot today and I'm feeling very thirsty. Very hot la inji si khare pheji share na scorching. It's scorching today. Scorching. SCORCHING. It's scorching today and I'm feeling very thirsty la sabla and I'm feeling parched. PARCHED lana parched lana very thirsty hajangi khagomba thaga nangshi ta dendi da utsi khashes chikherang chola shuna pe changi dulai do very cold dila chik do kharelna freezing niba de negi thengi kherang chola very hot cheba chaola scorching lan lapswa ina yang phagi scorching la de kambo gi chao ina re da perna namshi gi chao din jela scorching ta lumba gi chao yora perna chupe chao ina dila scorching lana di mare chu chao la har launa na scalding thana shi very small hajang gi chinchu na tiny pe apo very good lagi do dila superb hajang gi ning jo na very beautiful la sik do da dikharla na exquisite thana shi thamade hajangi slow hajangi khali na very slow ina dila sluggish ta kerang so di negi ta mangbochik very hajanga ji chigyo kerang chal mangbochik de shigabi an din nanglo ni kangchik so so gi ga shi chigla an chitup se ni comments nanglo da thiro nang shwe tu jinang